Let's talk project management. I'm currently working on a project charter and wanted to take this opportunity to share some information with you about what happens before a project is chartered. So in other words, before that project charter is signed off on and approved, what are the activities that happen behind the scenes? First, let's talk about the company or the organization. While we know they're all different, there are different departments within each organization. Like say, for example, HR, you might have payroll, you might have contracts and procurement. And within each of those departments, there's going to be individuals that are going to have project needs or potential projects, right? So you can see how quickly things can get chaotic when we have different departments and everybody has project needs. Now let's go ahead and talk about the project selection process. So while every organization is different, most are going to have some type of a formal process for being able to review and analyze these potential projects to make sure that they align strategically with the organization's goals and objectives. One thing I do want to point out is that a project manager is not typically involved in the project selection process. However, we do need to make sure that we have an understanding of why these potential projects might be considered and the value that they're going to bring to each company. During the project selection process, each company more than likely will have some type of a committee, right? Whether it be a project selection committee or a steering committee, some type of a committee will take all of these project requests. They will go in there, they're going to analyze those, review those, and then determine if those meet the strategic goals and objectives. They're going to take a look at the cost benefit analysis, the return on investment, but most importantly, does this project benefit and bring value, right? Does it strategically align? The project documents that the committee is reviewing, well, that's going to be the business case, which is the justification for the project, right? Why is the project being presented? What are the issues that are going to be solved here? Who are the stakeholders? What are the, high-level requirements? What are some of the assumptions and constraints, right? So it still has to be a pretty solid business case, but it's going to be very high level. And the other thing that they'll be reviewing is the benefits management plan, and that's basically what are the benefits to the organization, along with some other good information that needs to be considered. Well, there you have it, just a small glimpse of what happens behind the scenes before a project gets chartered. Guys, if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and follow for more project management tips. Thanks.